liberty means freedom. Some basic freedoms are necessary for civilized existence. In fact, democracy becomes meaningless if there are no basic freedoms available to individuals. The preamble highlight this freedom in the form of speech, expression, belief, faith and worship. Article 19 in part 3 of the Indian Constitution, which is the part on fundamental rights, enlists the freedoms that would be available to the citizens. Other articles like Article 25 and all also give us other freedoms. Do you understand that? So, the freedoms that we require for civilized existence is mentioned in Article 19 of the Indian Constitution. And without liberty, your life will be meaningless. But liberty given to you doesn't mean that you misuse the liberty and create social discomfort. So, the liberty that you will have will be checked by general welfare. Do you understand that? It means you will not have unrestricted liberty. Unrestricted liberty can bring more damage to a society. Like say for example, unlimited liberty will also include the liberty to defame anybody. And if you defame anybody, especially without a valid reason, then obviously you are hurting the dignity of that individual and making that person's life miserable. Then onwards, therefore, the liberty that we enjoy can be reasonably restricted, and the grounds of reasonable restriction is also highlighted in the Constitution. And it is judiciary which will check the reasonableness of those restrictions, whereas the executive and the legislature can put those restrictions, but it will be tested where? In the courts, that whether the restriction was reasonable or not. And how the court will come to that judgment? By looking at the Constitution.